Hey guys, I'm coming to you with a 99-cent store haul as a tornado's heading my way because I'm trying to put this stuff up and take cover. So let's get started. They had St. Ives cleansing sticks. Would focus. And I'm going to go kind of quick, you guys. You hear the news in the background. Tornado is heading our way. But I love you guys so much and I want to let you know what's at the 99. So these were 99 cents. I did pick up 3 of them. They had a couple different flavors of the Hansons. We got root beer, 6-pack for 99 cents. Did pick up some bananas and my favorite lettuce. They had these Hillshire Farm cheddar wurst. I just picked up 2 of them. Uh-oh, here comes sirens. They had a big old thing of kosher dill spears. These were $1.99. Expiration dates November 4th, 2019. My kids will eat that up. Kids got some Doritos for $1.99. They had, I think, another flavor of these. 6-pack, 99 cents. The eggnogs. Babe, were the eggnogs $1.99? The eggnogs are $1.99. We love eggnog. They have this big old thing of Halloween mini cheese balls, 25 treat bags for $1.99. They had these, Jaden's calling all his friends, making sure they're safe. They had these TV dinners. I did only pick up 2. My teenager likes to eat those. And I did get, move your chicken nugget, please, a mashed potato and cauliflower, and then we picked up a ketchup. And that's it, you guys. That's my 99-cent store haul. I'll include a couple clips of what's going on outside right now as the tornado's heading our way. So enjoy. Sirens have started. Get inside and get in the damn bathroom now. It just touched ground. Tell them to take cover and get out of the car. Good old Texas weather. Tornado just touched ground. Did the siren stop? Here comes the hail. So is that a good sign if the siren stopped? Or is that just telling everybody get inside?
Why anybody would decide to drive right now?
Yeah.
Right now? I don't know why.
I'm trying to catch this shit. Trying to be YouTube famous over here. Oh, there goes the sirens, baby. We got to take cover, honey. All right, let's go.
We're getting many reports of surrounding cities sounding their sirens. So damaging.
That's where we're at, Garland.
Large hail and a tornado still on the ground from this storm at this point.
It's coming. It's coming. There goes the trees. Look at the trees.
Why would you say like?
Oh my fucking God, dude.
Guys, I just wanted to come on here. It is the next morning after the tornado. It literally jumped over our apartments or my side of the highway. So we are very blessed. But it did hit Dallas, Garland, which I'm in Garland, but I'm on my side. We, like I said, it skipped over us. Richardson, Rockwall, Wiley, everyone has, well, not everyone. Don't ever say that. Let me knock on wood. A lot of people have lost their homes. So I'd appreciate some prayers for Texas. And, but yeah, we are safe. My husband's family is safe. So it literally skipped us. Nothing in our yards. I think a few small branches broke, but that's it. Frank left last night. We hardly got any sleep because another one came like late after the one that I was getting clips of. We had to take cover. I don't know if you guys are familiar, but a few years ago, the building across from us was completely flattened. But we just got off the highway. I filmed that 99. We just got home. The one a few years ago that literally across the street flattened the apartments across from us. Frank just got off the highway. He was going to get sheets for our new bed. He's like, oh no, this Cali boy. He's like, no, tornado's going to hit us. And then what happened? But anyways, we are safe. I did just want to come on here real quick and let you guys know. I look like crap because, no, we would never. We have God protecting us. But, because I didn't want to leave you guys hanging in another video and you guys have to wait. So we are safe. We are good. Prayers for Texas, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Bye!